Excuse me, Jason.
Yes.
Yesterday I am absent to school. Could you please revise the chapter? Yesterday's chapter?
Yes. So yesterday, what is light and what is the speed of light?
What is light?
Light is a form of energy that helps us to see the objects.
What is the speed of the light?
3 into 10 power 8 meter per second.
Okay, thank you. Let us meet in class.
Okay, you're welcome.
Excuse me, Sakya. Can we revise the topics which we discussed yesterday in physics class?
Yes. What is reflection?
Reflection is the bouncing back of light when it hits the surface.
How many types of reflections are there?
There are two types, regular and irregular.
Can you say the definitions for it, please?
Yes, it is the regular reflection. It will only occur on a smooth surface.
Can you say example for it?
Yes. Can you see your image at plane mirror?
Yes, I can see.
It is the example of regular reflection.
Can you say what is irregular reflection and examples, please?
Yes, irregular reflection. It will only occur on a rough surface.
Can you say example?
Yes. Can you see your image at the wall?
No, I can't see.
It is the example of irregular reflection.
What is Miller effect?
The visibility of light when it strikes the dust particles.
Can you say it examples?
Yes, of course. But we should take help of our friends.
Yes, we can take it.
Now see how clearly we can see the path of light.
Can't we see it normally?
Yes, we can't see it normal. Did you understand now?
Understood. Thank you for letting me know.
Shrestha, could you please explain about luminous bodies and non-luminous bodies?
Yes. Luminous bodies means the bodies which emit their own light are called luminous bodies.
Then what about the examples?
The examples are candle and sun.
Then what about non-luminous bodies?
Non-luminous bodies means the bodies which do not emit their own light is known as non-luminous bodies.
Is the examples are moon and book?
Yes, you are correct.
Thank you for explaining me.
You are welcome. Excuse me, children.
Yes.
May I know what is the laws of reflection?
Yes, of course. There are two types of laws of reflection. First one is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second one is incident ray, normal, reflected ray, point of incidence should lie on the same plane.
Thank you for letting me know.
It's my pleasure.
Excuse me, Ashmita.
Yes.
Did you learn the chapter yesterday?
Yeah.
Shall I ask you some questions?
Yes, I'm eagerly waiting for that.
Okay. What is transparent, translucent, opaque, and their examples and ray of light?
Transparent medium. The medium which allows most of the light to pass through it is called transparent medium. Example, clear water. And the translucent medium. The medium which allows the partial light to pass through it is called translucent medium. And the example, butter paper. And opaque medium, the medium which do not allow the light to pass through it is called opaque medium. Example, wood. And ray of light. The light which travels in given direction is called ray of light.
Okay.
And may I ask some questions?
Yes, please. I'm waiting for that.
What about the beam, parallel beam, convergent beam and divergent beam?
Oh, it's too easy. Beam. The collection of rays is called beam. And parallel beam. Parallel beam which do not intersect at all. Here you are going to have the diagram which moves only on the straight.
Okay.
And convergent beam which converges at a point is called convergent beam. Here you are having the diagram.
Okay.
And last, divergent beam. From a point which orients from many directions is called divergent beam. Here you are going to have the diagram.
Okay, we understood the parallel beam, convergent beam and divergent beam.
Yes.
Okay.
And remember the topic, sir, that he will tell you next class.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nervin.
I have some notes.
Yes, you can ask.
What is meant by eclipse?
The shadow formed by the heavenly bodies is known as eclipse.
How many types of eclipse are there?
There are two types of eclipses, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse.
What is solar eclipse?
The solar eclipse is formed when moon comes in between sun and earth.
What is lunar eclipse?
The lunar eclipse is formed when the earth comes in between sun and moon.
Thanks for clarifying it.
That's very kind of you.